This is Cherie with Rehash Fiber. I want to share with you a very helpful tool. A couple of weeks ago I was working on a pattern that called for making a pom-pom, and the instructions were wrap the yarn around your fingers, tie it off, and then you have a pom-pom. Well, I struggled. I'd made a few of these. I couldn't get it to look nice. I couldn't get the yarn tight enough. It was falling apart, and I thought, that's not gonna work. So I was at my local yarn shop, Fiber Art Gallery, talking to Jane about this, and she showed me this very helpful tool. It's a pom-pom maker by Clover. So it's a smaller size and then a little bit bigger size. So sure enough, it is very quick to make one. It makes it super easy to do, super nice looking, and you can tie it off tight so that the strands will stay. So I'm going to show you how to make one right now. This is the packaging that it comes in. You get 2 of these pom-pom makers, 1 3/8 and 1 5/8 inch. The movable parts are these sides that come out for making your pom-pom, and then it also comes apart when you're finished with your pom-pom. All right, we're gonna make a larger size pom-pom. Have it all together. I have this acrylic here that is great for practicing with, and that's actually really good for making the pom-pom. What you're gonna do is you're gonna open 2 sides, and I like holding it like this to wrap it. I leave the yarn at the top and just start wrapping and filling it up. Doesn't have to be perfect, just get a bunch of yarn on there. Fill it till the bottom is getting full. Don't let it overflow onto these. That should be good enough. Again, I'm going to cut it at the top because that's where it gets cut anyway. And now we're going to do the other side identical. All right, the second side's done. I'm going to close it up. Now we're going to take our scissors, and right where you see where it's split here in the middle, you trim it. Cut all your threads. Oops. Make sure they're all cut. Do it again with the other side. That's all trimmed up. Now we're going to tie it off in the middle. Use a thread that's not slippery, something that's going to hold it secure. Pull tight, really tight, because I don't want any of those strands to move. And then I'm going to go again. Really tight. All right. Now, the fun part. You can open these sides one at a time. Let the pom-poms come out. See how nice that is? Nice and even. It's really nice. Open this side. I do it one by one carefully, just in case something's hung up. Now you pull them apart and voila, you have a pom-pom. Now any long ends you can just trim up. And there you go. And it's held nice and secure. Super fun. See how easy that is? Really, really helpful if you make any pom-poms at all. All right, if you're enjoying this programming, you can go to my website, Rehash Fiber, and check out Patreon. For as little as $1 a month, you can help keep the programming going. Also, there is merchandise really fun merchandise for sale, that helps too. So all right, everybody, happy pom-pom making, and thanks for watching.